So this is the Chisembe. It's a friction ball, and you play it using this thing. It's called murizo, which means a thing you used to play with, and it's basically just a playing stick with a little rattle on it to make sure that there's a shaking sound. And then this particular thing, this is the Chisembe itself. It has these playing notches on the side that you use to scrape. And when you scrape, the vibrations come to this. This is a palm frond from the palm tree. And so when the palm frond vibrates, and then you use your mouth to shape the overtones. So and then when you pinch the string in different places, you can shape the note and then the overtones you can make. So and you can shape the rhythm of the song by how you scrape. So you will go or something faster. Like that.